everything.
Don't
leave anything behind.
Just like what Lola says, always pray, okay? Because Jesus is watching you no matter what you do.
So much for watching this video.
Peace out, mga people! Walk, pretend you're drunk, and you have one straight line, you pretend you're lasing, and then you look back at the cup. Fuck you, cup.
Wala, naiiwan ko lagi wallet ko eh. I just wanna win a championship. I go to UP.
I didn't know. Anong course mo?
Course ko? Dapat alam mo, pero...
Hindi ko alam kay Kate.
Sport science.
Enjoy mo naman?
Yeah, matalino ako. Wala, ano lang siya, artista. Ayoko naman maging artista eh. Yeah, madami na ako. Close kami ni Dad, di parang kayo. Sa akin, Pilipina kasi masarap magluto yung Pilipina eh. So, yun ang may isip. If I wasn't a basketball player, I'd be a chef. So, I've just been cooking the whole time.